As a developer, we often need to debug, inspect, format, and validate the JSON. I was using these three popular tools: jsonviewer.stack.hu, jsonlint.com, and jasoneditoronline.org. While using these tools, I face few issues that I have addressed in my own JSON validator and formatter tool. For example, if I paste a malformed JSON in the JSON viewer.stack, it does not point out where the error is. It just shows the generic invalid JSON error, and for large JSON payload, it becomes difficult to find out where the error is. Fortunately, the JSON lint and JSON editor point out the exact line number, but the tree view of the JSON does not show the details of the selected node like we have in the jsonviewer.stack.hu. My name is Ishan, and in this video I will be talking and demonstrating 7 major features of JSON tool, which are basically text editor for writing JSON freely, editors built-in search and replace with the regex support, tree view of the JSON along with visual and inline editing, auto repair JSON, JSON Diff, one-click general actions in the toolbar, and last but not the least, autosave in a local storage. Go to mzishan.me/tools and search for JSON Validator. Let's talk about the text editor. This JSON tool is utilizing CodeMirror as a text editor, which is a lightweight, powerful, and open source editor. It allows to edit the JSON freely while providing all the modern editor functionalities such as syntax highlighting, line number, code foldings, linting, live validation with IDE style inline errors, undo and redo support, multi-cursor editing and selection support. Just hold the command key plus click. Auto string code closing and auto bracket closing. For example, let's say if I add a key with object name test, it will be like. Now let's check search and replace in action. While editor is active, use the shortcut command plus F as we use in the browser or other editors. It will reveal the search bar. Alternatively, you can click on the magnifying glass in the toolbar to activate the search bar. No need to copy and paste the JSON in the Sublime or any other editor for just search and replace functionality. It's built in. You can also use the regex expressions if you need. Now let's check the tree view of JSON. Switch to the tree view and your JSON becomes an interactive collapsible tree. Click on any node to select it. After selecting, it shows all the details for the selected node in the table. You can easily copy keys and values. This is really helpful in focusing on the selected node for large JSON payloads. The breadcrumb below the toolbar allows to navigate easily in the nested and long JSON payloads. Double-click for inline editing the keys and values, for example, like this. Add and delete the nodes interactively, for example, just like this. Drag items to reorder them. Next, we will see auto repair JSON in action. When it detects an error, a repair JSON button appears right there inline. One click and it automatically fixes missing quotes, trailing commas, unclosed brackets. Common syntax mistakes that would take minutes to find manually gone in one click. But this feature works perfectly for a single error. It does not work very well with multiple errors in the JSON, so use it with caution. Now let's move to the JSON diff. This one is really helpful for API debugging. Say you're comparing a staging response to production, paste both payloads and switch to the diff view. You get a side-by-side or unified diff as per your choice with differences highlighted at the character level. You can accept or reject individual chunks, swap the panels, and format both with one click. No more eyeballing two JSON files trying to spot the difference. Now let's see one-click actions in the toolbar. Collapse or expand all nodes. Sort the JSON keys in ascending and descending order. Save the JSON as file on your system. Load this JSON from the file and URL. Clear the existing JSON and start over from scratch. Last but not the least, the JSON will be saved automatically in the local storage. No account, no cloud, no sign up, everything stays on your machine. So that's the JSON editor and validator. It's completely free and runs entirely in your browser. Link is in the description. If this saves you time, a like really helps. Drop a comment if there's a feature you would want to see added. I read them all. See you in the next one. Thank you.